Hello everyone. Today it finally arrived. Ordered yesterday the Brother label printer, at least I hope. Now in the Netherlands we have a awesome delivery company called Coolblue. You just go to bed, pick up your phone, order whatever you need, and then, at least with my postal services, it always gets arrived between 8 and 10 in the morning. Meaning, on Friday we think let's start a nice project. We can. But as you can see, I ordered a Brother, and you guys have been asking for it for quite some time. And I've been putting it off. The first and foremost important part of the last production release was the stability, reliability and performance. That is still the main goal, but yeah, as you've been, I want to say nagging, but it's maybe the wrong word. But yeah, asking a lot if the Brother can be supported. So I ordered one. Look guys, I don't want to develop something that I cannot test. If I develop something untested and need to rely on someone else, going back and forth, that doesn't work. But beware, this is still for me a project which is, created out of a hobby. So all these investments are not for me, they're for you. So let's hope that it also yields the reward at the end once it's implemented. So I started a Patreon page. I also created a PayPal donate button. So take a look at those, and if you feel like it's for you, or you want to support me in new developments and making sure that I'm staying out of the depth for this project, then that would be much appreciated. All right, let's dig in. So I've ordered a Brother QL820NWB. Reason for it is it has Wi-Fi. As I have my chargers on the desk, at least the production releases, my prototypes are basically mounted towards the wall. I don't want to have my label printer stuck somewhere stationary, connected to the network or to USB or something like that. I want to be able to move it around, and I'm rearranging my workspace as well as we go. So I ordered a Wi-Fi one. Now, what I also ordered was a few labels. I didn't know if they came with the box, but as you can see, there seem to be two spools already delivered with the printer. Holy moly, a very clunky power supply. It's rated 25 volts, 3.6 amps. Wow, this thing can consume almost 75 watts. Not sure what they chucked in this machine, but probably the thermal head will need some oomph to do its job. So, and my God, this one is significantly bigger than the Dymo that I have. Let's see, is there anything more in the box? Nope, that's it. So let's put that aside. So all the packaging, let's get it off. Screen protector. Not that easy to take out. So Brother needs to take a look at that. Now there's a battery in this charger. Not so sure if I like that. Alright, I will speed this one up. I will make sure that we have power, and then let's see if we can get it up and running. Alright, so fiddling a little bit. So I'm now in the menu. Wireless LAN, yes. Wireless LAN on off. Okay, let's put that one to on. Okay. And then network mode is in my case infrastructure mode because I'm running a infrastructure manual settings. So it's now discovering all the access points, and then we should be able to select the access point that I'm using. Sweet, so it says connected, and then it just doesn't say anything at all. What IP address it's been discovered, something. I'm not really impressed with this user interface at all, but yeah, it is what it is. Okay, all done. Now let's see if it can be discovered. Yes! First label printed, just with a barcode. But the barcode should say. So let's check it with the iPhone. I got a QR code scanner on my phone installed, QRafter, and after I installed and started it, I scanned the barcode and it says it works. Yay! Okay, good. So now the next step, that is improving the barcodes. So we started with some text, and then we moved on and on and on until the final product on the bottom. Okay, so the development is done, at least for the basics. I used the 62 millimeters cell labels, which is allowed to, at least mine says, I can also print red on this one. So I need to check how that works, especially for cells that are rejected. But what I can already see is the labels of the Brother are actually great. They stick well. I tried to peel off one before, and when you start peeling the cell, it just feels really sticky compared to the Dymo that I'm using. Before I started using these smaller labels, they do stick okay, but what I can see is that the quality of the labels that are coming with the Brother is significantly higher. So I tried it also with my phone, so I can check if I could scan the QR code. That works, and that means that for every label it automatically cuts, for every cell that's ready, it cuts a label, and you can basically apply it to your battery. So the label being used is the DK11209. It's a 62 millimeter by 29. It says 2 3/7 inch by 1 1/7 inch for those that are not using the metric system. Still, come on guys, let's move over to metric, easier. And then you can basically start printing labels. Now let me know which types of labels you still need, because I need to make those label files. It's not yet that you can use your own makeup of the labels. That will come, but for now let's first make sure that you can use the printer, and then we later on can add some additional features. Alright, stay tuned for any updates, and if you like this project, feel free to do a donation or a Patreon page. Everybody says like, subscribe, whatever. No clue, never do that. If you don't want to, don't. At least for me, it doesn't make a difference. Alright, stay tuned. See you later.